In this video, I'll show you how to update the time and date on your Ubuntu system using the Internet. First, make sure your system is connected to the Internet. Without an Internet connection, Ubuntu won't be able to reach the time servers. Now, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time. To update the time and date from the Internet, we'll use a built-in service called systemtimesync. It keeps your system clock accurate. First, check if it's running. Type the following command, timedatectl status. Look for the line that says NTP service. If it shows inactive or no, it means time syncing is off. To turn it on, type this command, sudo timedatectl set-ntp true, then press enter. This tells Ubuntu to automatically sync the time from the Internet. To make sure it worked, type the status command again, timedatectl status now. Check that the NTP service says active and system clock synchronized says yes. If it still says no, wait a few seconds and check again. Sometimes it takes a moment to sync. That's it. Your Ubuntu system will now keep the time and date correct using online time servers. Thanks for watching.